So, carnitas with green sauce from Alfonso. Let's eat. This is a carnitas. Lunch in the hotel na naman tayo, guys, kasi it's cold outside. And we have a guacamole here. Ay, ang dami. First, we're going to, this is bean, rice, vegetable, guacamole, and this is the carnitas. So, we're gonna put a lime. Tapos ganito yung kumain. This is a Mexican food. So, meron tayo ditong flour. Siguro ganun. This one na lang. Mainit-init pa siya. Maganda siya kasi medyo mainit pa siya. Maglagay tayo ng beef. Maglagay tayo ng beans. Sarap yung beans nila. Beans. Lagay tayo ng rice. Ito yung kapag kumain ng Mexican food. Vegetable. I have pico. Meron din pico, cabbage, to cabbage. Ayan. And then, our guacamole. Lagyan natin guacamole dito. Para pagkagat mo, pak. O, diba? So, ayan siya. Ganito siya. And then, kakain ka ng ganito. Tapos, pwede mo siya isaw-saw sa meron silang green sauce. Sarap to, guys. Merong spicy na part. Ay, this yung pico. It's spicy.
Is it?
Kinda. I don't know if the green sauce or the pico. Sarap.